How to replace text title on YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace your font style or the animated style in your YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application and go back. Let me go back again and select the desired project, and after that you can see I have created the text from there. I have already created a text, or I can create the new one by tapping on this. I can just simply tap on the title, and you can see I have the title here. Now if I want to replace that title, I can just simply tap on this again, and you can see if I scroll down, I can find the feature of the replace. I can just simply tap on the replace option, and I can select the desired one, and you can see that this font will be changed. So this is how you can easily replace your text font in YT Create application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.